Welcome to our comprehensive guide to the top 9 best investing apps for beginners. If you are new to investing, choosing the right app can be overwhelming. But with this guide, you will learn how to get started with confidence. First, we have Robinhood, a popular app that offers commission-free trading and a user-friendly interface. Next, we have Acorns, an app that allows you to invest small amounts of money into a diversified portfolio. Stash is another great option, offering a range of investment options and educational resources. Fidelity is a well-established online brokerage firm that offers a mobile app with a wide range of investment products and research tools. E-Trade is another highly rated app, providing a comprehensive trading platform and retirement accounts. TD Ameritrade is a reputable online brokerage firm that offers a mobile app with advanced trading tools and a wide range of investment products. We also have Ali Invest, a low-cost online brokerage firm that offers a mobile app with a range of investment products and research tools. Wealthfront is a robo-advisor that offers low-cost investment management and financial planning. Lastly, we have Vanguard, a well-established investment firm that offers a mobile app with a range of low-cost index funds and ETFs. When choosing an investing app, consider factors such as fees, investment options, and user interface. Look for apps that offer educational resources and customer support. It is also essential to set clear financial goals and risk tolerance before investing. Start by setting a budget and choosing an app that aligns with your investment goals. Begin with a small investment and gradually increase your portfolio over time. Remember to diversify your investments and avoid putting all your money into one stock or asset. By following these steps and choosing the right investing app, you can start building wealth and achieving your financial goals. Remember to always do your research, stay informed, and be patient, as investing is a long-term game.